Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. I am joined by your favorite YouTube mom, MamaTutorials, back in the building.
Oh yeah.
Welcome back, Mom. During HALLOWEEK, for 7 days straight, I upload a Halloween-themed video every single day. You are very aware of this. She gets my mental breakdowns on a daily.
Yes.
Today, I thought it was gonna be a really, really fun idea to transform you into something Halloween-themed. And over on Instagram, we had a poll going on between the nun or Morticia Addams, and we both know who won, judging by my hair, because I am your daughter, Morticia. You don't know who that is, huh? I know. Have you never heard of the Addams family?
Yes, I do. But
The mom?
yeah,
The mom with the black hair,
oh,
the red lips,
okay.
white face.
White face? I don't like white. I like tan.
Excuse me! So, MamaTutorials, are you ready to... It's been a long night.
In scary wood.
Yes, scary wood.
You said you weren't scared in the wood.
Good job.
Yeah. But you also were well scared.
Also well scared. The people will have to wait until the video goes up, but last night I went to a haunted forest and I did my makeup alone in that haunted forest. And I went in as a non-believer and ran out as a believer. So you will have to wait and see until that goes up this HALLOWEEK. For today, Morticia Tutorials. Coming right up. Are you ready to transform into Morticia?
Yes.
Morticia looked like this. That's gonna be you.
We don't shop after this.
No, we don't go shopping after this, but like you remember, the guy who's gonna look at the things he needs to move to the new house.
Oh my God.
So you're gonna have to open the door in that look. All right, mother, taking the rings off. Time to prime. Not to prime is a
No.
no. All right, so today we're doubling up on primers. We have the Hydrating Primer by Fenty Beauty, and we have the Mattifying Primer by Fenty Beauty.
Smells good.
Amazing, huh? You're primed. You're ready for some full coverage foundaciones.
Oh.
I'm thinking the most full coverage foundation on the planet, Juvia's Place. Sounds good. Oh, and also, Juvia's Place, they have sticks now. So I'm gonna be doubling up, double the coverage.
The whole
Shebang.
No. I don't like it. I like natural.
Not today, honey, not today.
No, I know.
So this is my color, but since Mom is a lot more tan than I am, it's gonna show up as really, really light. Let's see if we need to lighten it up a bit more, but let's see how far we get with this. Okay, your face is about to vanish. Oh, reset light. Love that color on you. She is so uncomfortable right now.
My wrinkles are, you see it much better.
We're not even done yet, okay?
Oh.
Calm down, queen. So we're gonna include the neck later on. First, let's just focus on the face. We're gonna have a beautiful contrast throughout this video.
It feels not...
Don't
I'm
touch
sorry.
it. It doesn't feel heavy?
No.
Right? So the foundation is so full coverage, but what I love about it so much is that it doesn't feel like a lot.
No, it does not feel like I have a full package on my face.
A full package.
A full pack.
Yeah.
Yeah? But when I touch it, it's all on my fingers.
Yeah.
That's not...
We're gonna set it with powder, sweetie.
Ah, okay.
Yes, set it and forget it. Another term you probably don't remember.
You will.
Time for concealer! As a base for concealer, I'm going in with the brand new Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the color Lima.
Oh,
Yes, mama. And then a little bit of the Jeffree Star Concealer in C1. By the way, this is my mom who I'm doing my makeup on, and this is my personal makeup kit. And I did come out of her vagina pretty much, so I don't care using my stuff on her face. Yep, I said.
What?
Yep. Oh, let it go.
Nikki.
All right.
Powder. Oh no.
No, first we need to blend this
blend
in, sweetie.
Yes, I know.
Time for a massage. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Where are your earrings?
I thought that was better not to wear it today.
Okay. Well, you can have mine on in a little bit.
Blend it, baby.
Oh my God, look at that. That is perfection. Eye bags, we've never heard of her. Oh! Dark circles, who? A beauty. Bam.
Bam.
All right, you know it. Ready for a lot of powder, Mom.
Mm-hmm. Powder with a brush, not you do with a sponge.
This is called baking. So when you do this, it's gonna last longer.
Okay.
Whereas with a brush, you're laying down less powder, so it's not gonna last as long.
Okay.
If it feels like it's going up your lungs, that's the goal. Lovely, isn't it? You look stunning. 10s, 10s, 10s across the board. Base is done. It is time for a very, very
dark
intense.
brow.
Oh, she's got that deep tone going on.
Yes.
First, we're gonna do a line underneath. Yes, shape, come through. Ooh, ooh. So we're gonna sculpt this out with concealer once we start the eye portion. I'm quickly gonna do the other brow off camera. That's a brow, ma'am.
Hello, guys. I'm back with brows.
Quite some brows. How do you feel about them?
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely? You like them? I mean, they're intense, but they're bomb. Like, girl, you got a facelift. Okay, time for the eye. Going in with my P.Louise Base to prime the eyelid, because not to prime is a what?
A crime.
Oh my God, you got
Yes.
it. Yes. Oh, a good primed eyelid is just so sexual, isn't it? You just wanna go in with that eyeshadow brush and like go to town with it. Get rid of the spider webs, huh?
Oh.
Every time I tell my mom to like get it on, I tell her to get rid of the spider webs.
Nikki.
Time for shadows. Today we're going in with Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral, because it's a coral palette with gunmetals and silvers. So in the crease, because Morticia is all about that gray, black and white life, I'm going in with this shade here and then buffing out with that shade there.
All right?
All right,
Okay.
let's do it.
Let's do it, baby. Yes, do you want to hold it for me?
Yes, I want to hold
Thank you so
it.
much, Mommy.
So you guys know I'm always just building my shape first and then I focus on blending. Take it one step at a time. I've never seen you in gray shadow. This is crazy. So Morticia definitely has that swooped out eyeshadow shape. So MamaTutorials is also getting that swoop. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you in the mood for some questions
Oh yeah.
from the people?
Yes.
Is it a blessing or a curse that your daughter is so well known across the world?
It's a blessing, yes.
And can you explain why it's a blessing?
Ja, dat het heel knap is wat je allemaal doet. En dat ik heel erg trots op jou ben. I'm very proud.
Aww. What was it like giving birth to such a queen? What was an embarrassing moment of Nikki as the kid?
I don't know.
I have none. I've never been embarrassing.
I don't know.
There's none?
No.
Oh my God, I'm perfection.
Oh, I'm thinking, but
You never were embarrassed of me?
no.
Oh. Do you, MamaTutorials, get recognized on the streets as much too?
And not as that much as Nikki, but sometimes they recognize me.
Aww. And how do you feel when that happens?
I like that.
Every time she gets recognized on the street, she like calls me, she goes, they knew who I was. We're gonna cut your crease. Do you know what that means?
No.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna set that using the silver.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, MamaTutorials.
Good job.
Thank you.
What's next? A question?
Oh, yes, sure.
A question.
Do you think Dylan and I got engaged too soon?
Ooh.
Careful what you say.
Yes. No. Yes. No. It's soon, but if you know you loved each other so much, then it's good.
So you're okay with it?
Yes. When we go wearing dresses, look.
If you had $1 million, Mom, what would be the first thing you buy? Get rid of the mortgage of the house?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and then after that, because then you still have a lot of money left.
I buy my own car. Now we have one car, and it's always difficult. A big vacation with all my children, and.
Aww. That's cute. I'm there.
But I haven't 1 million.
Well, who knows where life goes, ma'am.
Yes, that's true.
So we're smoking the lower lash line. We're connecting it to the corner here. Like you want this to be one.
See, I also almost done.
Eye's almost done.
Well,
I think off camera, we're gonna put a very small and subdued lash on you. Like nice and subtle for every day.
Oh.
And we'll be right back with both eyes completed. Wabam.
Wow.
Oh, those lashes can fly you off.
Oh.
How do you feel?
Pretty.
Really? Is your side darker because of the lashes? Like is everything that you're seeing darker right now? Is it heavy? Yeah. But does it feel good? Mm-hmm. So we definitely created a glam Morticia glitter moment. Mm-hmm. It is time for cheeks and that iconic red lip. First, we gonna contour you, honey.
Contour?
Contour. It is time to
I
snatch.
see that also.
You see that also?
I'm old.
Do we want another question?
Oh, yes. Another question.
What is something that I got in trouble for when I was younger?
Work at the middle of the night.
What?
She must filming. You do that in the middle of the night and then we cannot sleep.
Did your mom worry when you started being a YouTuber?
No, we didn't know about YouTube. My son, the brother from Nikki, came to me and my husband. Mom, do you know...
Christmas dinner.
Do you know what Nikki
does?
I said, no, I don't. And he showed us YouTube. And we looked and we thought that probably not, it cannot do any harm. We found it good. I'm sorry, I'm not good at English.
So Morticia always has this like spotlight on her eye. So I'm using a lighter powder. This is Hourglass Ethereal Light. And I'm just putting it, look up for me, like in this eye area here. Because like when you look at the movie, she had this like special type of spotlight on her face. And it was iconic. Do you want highlighter?
Yes.
Do you want some glazed donut?
What's MamaTutorials skincare?
Oh God, here we go.
Oh
God. Well, I'm gonna sign off. Let her do her thing.
It's difficult for me in English to tell. But I have many products I use.
That I know.
Maybe we film it
What?
another
So?
time. My skin routine.
Your skin routine?
My skin routine.
Well, give this video a thumbs up if you want to. Let us know in the comments. Did Nikki play soccer in your belly all the time?
Yes, you are
Active?
active in my
Belly?
belly.
Billie Eilish? Belly!
Belly! Oh, I'm my belly!
We're using Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick in the color Witch Bitch.
Which
Ooh, that is a red, Manny.
Ooh!
Okay, it is time for the wig. Time for the wig!
Woohoo!
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Please hold the front, my dear. Just push. Yes, hold it.
Yes.
Hold it. Well. And up. Yes. Into the. Yes. En lach naar de camera. En kijk nu heel boos. Yeah! Yeah! And that, glow babies, is my Morticia Addams look on my mom, Mama Tutorials.
Tutorials. Oh, that's nice.
Down below on the screen, you will find the shout out to the previous Dutch word of the day. As for today's Dutch word of the day, it's gonna be for wig.
Wig.
Let's go. Bruik.
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 My mom is wearing a bruik.
A bruik.
As always, if you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day. Or if you want your mom to like do a video response on Instagram, make sure you hashtag Dutch word of the day and you might see yourself and your mom pop up in my next video. We want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you truly enjoyed, and hopefully tomorrow you will be back for another day of HALLOWEEK. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.